Welcome. In this video, we will discuss three types of motion sensors: the accelerometer, the gyroscope, and the magnetometer. As its name implies, an accelerometer is a sensor that measures acceleration. Many of today's MEMS accelerometer ICs measure acceleration along three axes. That is, the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. These three-axis accelerometers are also referred to as 3D accelerometers. Units for acceleration are meters per second squared and are oftentimes expressed in terms of gravitational acceleration, or g, where 9.81 meters per second squared is equal to 1 g. Therefore, an accelerometer at rest on a table experiences 1 g in the z direction and 0 g's in the x and y directions. A gyroscope is a device used to measure the rate of rotation of an object around a specific center point. This measurement is also known as the angular velocity. Vibrating structure MEMS gyroscopes are packaged similarly to other integrated circuits and may provide either analog or digital outputs. Oftentimes, a single IC part includes gyroscopic sensors for all three axes. And some IC parts include 3-axis gyroscopes as well as 3-axis accelerometers to achieve 6 degrees of freedom, specifically forward and backward, up and down, left and right, yaw, pitch, and roll. A magnetometer, or magnetic sensor, is a device used for detecting and measuring magnetic fields. Digital magnetic sensors convert the detection and/or the measurement of magnetic fields into electrical signals for processing by other electronic circuits. One example of a magnetic sensor is a Hall effect sensor. Applications for Hall effect sensors include position sensors, proximity detection, rotational sensing, current sensing, and others. Accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers are commonly used in wearable and IoT devices as well as in drones. Now, let's do a demonstration. For today's demonstration, I'll be using STMicroelectronic's Sensortile development kit. This kit is ideal for IoT, Bluetooth connected applications. This kit includes the Sensortile core system, a Sensortile cradle, a Sensortile expansion cradle, a plastic case, a LiPo battery, and a programming cable. The Sensortile core system board integrates an IC containing a 3D accelerometer and a 3D gyroscope sensor, a second IC with a 3D accelerometer and a 3D magnetometer, a barometer and temperature sensor, a microphone, a Cortex M4 microcontroller, and a Bluetooth low-energy IC and antenna. The Sensortile cradle board includes a temperature and humidity sensor and some other parts. The Sensortile expansion cradle board contains Arduino connectors, an audio jack, and other supporting electronics. Finally, there's a free smartphone app for use with this evaluation kit called the BLE Sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Sensortile kit and pull out all the parts and pieces here. So here obviously is the battery. This is the Sensortile core system board. This is the cradle. And this is the expansion cradle, programming cable, and the plastic case. So for today's demonstration, we're not going to be using the programming cable or the plastic case. And in fact, we won't even be using this cradle. We're just going to be using, or the battery, we're just going to be using these parts here. This IC is the one containing a 3D accelerometer and a 3D gyroscope sensor. This one here is the IC containing a 3D accelerometer and a 3D magnetometer. This one over here is the barometer and temperature sensor. Up on the left corner is the microphone. This guy here is the Cortex M4 microcontroller. And then over on this side is the Bluetooth low energy IC and antenna. So looking at the expansion cradle, obviously these are the Arduino connectors. This is the audio jack. And right here, this is where this core system connects to. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that. There's just a tiny connector there. So at this point, I'm going to power up the board. Now, this board can be powered through this USB cable or the battery. And you'll see the blinking LED. So at this point, I'm going to open the app, and I already have it loaded on my phone. It's the BLE Sensor, and I got it from the App Store. So I'll click on that. Click on Start Discovering. That's the device. All right, so right now, the temperature sensor is right here, and if I put my hand on the board, you can see the temperature reading goes up. And you can swipe to the left. So this is the sensor fusion. So if I pick up the board, you can see it's actually obviously real time. We go to the left, select the feature first, and I'm going to select the magnetometer. And I'll update every second. And I'll put that there. So what I have here is kind of a strong magnet, and you can see as I bring the magnet to the sensor, it updates. And this one here is an activity recognition. So if you're standing still, or if you're running or walking fast, it'll actually detect your activity, if you're on a bicycle even, or in a car. And this is another recognition. This is an orientation, so if I pick up the board, it knows which orientation it's in. And this is a microphone. You can see it's picking up my voice real time. And beam forming. And then the compass. So that is pretty handy. So that's north right there. And then if you want to load the data to the cloud, it gives you various options here, IBM or Microsoft's Azure or AWS. I hope you enjoyed this video from Digi-Key. Thanks for watching.